Hi, this is Yoshi. Okay, lecture 19 is Kasane Ori. Kasane Ori is one of the technique which is exactly the opposite of Nakaware Ori. Kasane means overlap in Japanese and Ori is fold. So Kasane Ori means overlap and fold outside. Let's take the same example or a similar example. Fold diagonal and then unfold and fold a long triangle on one side. The sideline of this long triangle should be on the center line as usual, and do the same for the opposite side, and fold at the center. So this is the triangle that used in the Nakaware Ori 2. Mark the imaginary line, then bend the same. Okay, from here it's going to be different. Okay, in case of Kasane Ori, towards outside overlap the sharp side. Let's see more closely at the neck and head. Overlap towards outside. As you can see, the head is overlapping the neck outside of the body. This is completely exactly the opposite of Nakaware Ori. The neck is outside of the body now and the head is outside of the neck. Okay, this is Kasane Ori. Next is lecture 20, actually week 4, a dog. Okay, please watch the supplement video as well. See you.